CNC machining centers are used to manufacture many types of components in many industries, including machinery, automobile, architecture, injection molding, and more. CNC is capable of performing milling, boring, drilling, screw thread tapping, screw cutting, and many other complicated machining processes. All tasks require high precision, high quality, efficiency, a short processing time, and fine surface finishing. Delta's CNC solution delivers excellent performance for all of these applications with a CNC controller, servo system, PM spindle motor, and machine vision system. The CNC controller offers intelligent tool editing and management functions to facilitate an automatic tool changing process that is a perfect fit for complicated machining tasks and composite processing. With the help of a PM spindle motor, it fulfills all industry demands for high processing precision, faster production, and excellent finishing quality in a shorter production time, and with higher efficiency. Delta provides a machining center solution with excellent global technical support and services. Your best CNC choice.